Hi everybody, my name's Elaine Duff and I'm sitting here at the bar at Sweet Auburn BBQ, and I am in front of bartender and also general manager Rebecca, who's going to be making me some delicious Bird Dog whiskey cocktails. So Rebecca, what are you making me?
We're gonna start off with a Southern Peach Sour using the Bird Dog peach whiskey. So delicious. We'll do 2 ounces of that.
I love that. And the peach really is, one thing I love about the Bird Dog cocktails is that they are 80 proof, so you're actually getting a foolproof whiskey, and then the flavors come through so much.
They really
do. You find
do.
that for yourself?
Absolutely. It's nice that I can make a cocktail with no extra sweetener added.
Oh wow, so there's like a natural sweetness in there.
Absolutely. We're gonna go in with a little Luxardo, which helps balance everything out. And then yes, egg white for a true sour, in my opinion.
So how much egg whites do you put in there?
I usually do 3/4 of an ounce.
Okay.
I think anywhere from 3/4 of an ounce to 1 ounce is appropriate for a drink.
Great. And what are you putting in now?
This is lemon juice. I'm gonna do the same, 0.75, so 3/4 of an ounce. And then you're gonna wanna shake that really hard for as long as you can.
And what is that? Because a lot of people are afraid of egg whites, but it's not something to be afraid of.
It's not.
What does it do to the
You
drink?
really can't even taste the egg whites in it. It's more, it helps the flavor last on your palate and gives it that nice, like, frothy viscosity.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Wow, look at the foam on that. That looks so pretty. That looks amazing.
There you are.
Yeah, well done. Good
Thank
shake.
you.
You got the nice froth on there.
Southern Peach Sour.
Love it. Absolutely love it.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.